In our fast-paced and demanding world, stress has become an unwelcome companion, affecting our mental well-being in profound ways. The constant pressure, deadlines, and responsibilities can take a toll on our minds, leaving us yearning for moments of tranquility. But what if there is a simple and artistic way to find solace amidst the chaos? A way to gracefully navigate the challenges of stress while engaging in a mesmerizing and calming activity. Welcome to pen spinning. In this documentary, we embark on a journey to discover the art of pen spinning, an age-old practice that not only entertains but also offers a unique avenue for stress relief. Stress, as we know, can manifest in various forms. It affects our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. The quest for effective stress management has led many to explore unconventional avenues, seeking solace in unexpected places. And that's where pen spinning comes in play. Imagine a world where the simple rotations of a pen between your fingers becomes a therapeutic dance, a rhythmic meditation that allows you to momentarily escape the pressures of daily life. Join us on this soothing journey as we unravel the secrets behind pen spinning. Discover the beauty of a tranquil mind and the simple joy that can be found in the gentle twirl of a pen. When we experience stress, our bodies undergo a series of physiological responses. The heart races, muscles tense, and the mind can become overwhelmed. Prolonged exposure to stress can contribute to various health issues, both physical and mental. Recognizing the need for relief, individuals often turn to activities that promote relaxation and well-being. Engaging in stress relief activities is not merely a luxury, but a necessity for maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. From meditation and yoga to nature walks and mindfulness practices, people seek different avenues to alleviate burdens of daily stressors. It's crucial to find an activity that resonates with the individual, offering a sense of peace and tranquility. Enter pen spinning, a unique and accessible stress relief option that combines the art of motion with the physical writing tool. Unlike some stress relief activities that require extensive training or specific environments, pen spinning can be done almost anywhere, making it a convenient and portable option. The rhythmic motion of pen spinning engages both the mind and body, providing a focused and meditative experience. As the pen twirls between the fingers, the repetitive and fluid motions create a smoothing rhythm, offering a gentle escape from the pressures of daily life. As we immerse ourselves in the world of pen spinning, let's explore the various techniques that make this art form a truly captivating and therapeutic experience. From the basics to the intricate, pen spinning offers a diverse range of tricks that cater to the enthusiasts of all skill levels. For beginners, the journey begins with mastering the 4 fundamental pen spinning tricks. These simple yet elegant movements lay the foundation for the art. The 4 fundamentals include the charge, thumb around, finger pass, and sonic. As one progresses, the world of pen spinning opens up, introducing a heightened level of finger dexterity and precision. The new challenging tricks and linkages challenge the spinner to explore new dimensions, pushing the boundaries of creativity and skill. Different spinning becomes more intricate, passes more dynamic, and catches more sophisticated. The pen becomes an extension of the spinner's artistic expression, creating a harmonious dance that captivates both the performer and the audience. At a higher level, to the untrained eye, it may look aesthetically worse, but the beauty lies in the raw material, and pen spinning transforms from a simple pastime to an intricate competition of creativity and difficulty. Both hypermodern linkages and extremely hard power sequences clash together to form a skeptical skill. A seasoned spinner crafts routines that tell a story through the fluidity of motion. Each twist and turn of the pen is a brushstroke in a unique dynamic masterpiece. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the world of pen spinning, exploring the endless possibilities that arise from the skillful interplay of pen and fingers. From individuals seeking relief from demanding careers to those navigating the challenges of everyday life, pen spinning has become a source of comfort. Picture a student finding a moment of respite during exam stress, or a professional using penciling as a brief escape during a hectic workday. The impact goes beyond the physical motions. It extends into the realms of mental well-being. It's more than just a hobby. It's a practice that extends to those seeking more in their lives. Join us as we continue our exploration in the world of penciling, guided by the heartfelt stories of those who have found tranquility in its graceful moments. Penciling unfolds the chapters of these personal narratives, inviting you to discover the peace that penciling can bring. In the serene world of penciling, community and culture thrive in digital spaces, where enthusiasts come together to share their passion and learn from one another. As of 2024, one of the most popular hubs for penciling is Discord. One fascinating practice within the penciling community is the game of tack-ons. Tack-ons involve creating chains of tricks where spinners take turns adding one trick at a time, until all but one participant cannot add any more tricks. It's not just a game, it's a tool to improve. Discord channels with names like battles, tack-ons, or tags become arenas for these engaging interactions. A simple declaration of a tack-on invites others to join in, and the exchange of tricks becomes a harmonious dance of shared knowledge. Tournaments, though not frequent, are highly anticipated events in the penciling community. These competitions offer a platform for spinners to showcase their skills on a larger stage. Information about upcoming tournaments can be found in Discord servers. Now you might be wondering, where can you join these vibrant communities? In the description of this video, you'll find links to some of the most common Discord servers, each with its unique focus. From the workshop and the penciling Reddit server to the international pen modding community and many more, these servers provide spaces for spinners to connect globally. As we navigate this tranquil world of penciling, let's appreciate the richness of community and culture that flourishes in both virtual and regional spaces. Join us as we explore the interconnected tapestry of individuals sharing their experiences, learning together, and fostering a supportive and inclusive environment in the world of penciling. At this part of our exploration in the world of penciling, let's take a moment to recap the key points and reflect on the potential positive impact of this captivating skill. We begin our journey with an introduction to the art of penciling. We explored the science behind stress relief, understanding how stress affects the body and mind, and introduced penciling as a unique and accessible option for finding tranquility. The tutorial section guided us through the basics of penciling, inviting you to embrace the artistry and therapeutic qualities of this simple yet complex practice. The competitive side of penciling came to the forefront as we explored tournaments, events, and gatherings. This is not just a hobby, it's a community of skilled individuals pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Discord serves as a virtual arena where pencilers can collaborate, share insights, and engage in a competitive play. Visual appeal takes center stage with cinematic shots capturing the dynamic nature of penciling. These visuals underscore the precision and skill involved, adding an element of professionalism to this intricate art form. As we conclude, consider penciling as more than just a personal pastime. It's a skill that demands dedication, hard work, and practice. Whether you're an aspiring spinner or a seasoned professional, penciling opens doors to a world where skill meets artistry. As we conclude our exploration in the world of penciling, may the serene artistry and this practice bring moments of calm relief to your life. Whether you spin for relaxation or aspire to master the precision of this skill professionally, let the rhythmic dance of penciling be your guide. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey, and until we meet again, spin on with a perfect blend of skill and artistry.